Pakita ito sa daan, boss.
Hindi raw kasi naisama ang bulkang mayon. Kaya kasi maasa ang arahan.
Puyo. Ato nga pas mga tao ba?
A friend and a personal friend of our family for many years. We are all alive. And we certainly honor and recognize the contribution of the province to the tourism portfolio of the country. The tourism video that has been released by the Department of Tourism is only the beginning. For indeed, there is just so much to love about our country. So I assure Congressman Joey Salceda na patuloy po yung ating effort to promote equal conditions in the country. This is just the beginning to give the world a flavor and a taste of the Philippines.
Abot bukid.
We, in fact, are holding the Philippine Experience Heritage Culture and Arts Caravan in the Bicol region.
You light another cigarette for the wine. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and it's starting to get light. Now I'm right where I wanna be, losing track of time. But I wish that it was still always night.
Good.
You look like you're in another world, but
Yung manot lang bukog.
read your mind. How can you be so far away, lying
Bagbe.
by my side? When I go away, I'll miss you, and I will be thinking of you every night and day. Just promise me you'll wait for me, 'cause I'll be saving
Tubig.